Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Susaru Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be making an auto gele, and half fan and half plated auto gele. I'm going to be using about 4 lines of ashoke for this tutorial. So now I've cut out this piece. It's about 30 inches in length. As you can see, it's already stoned. I've already stoned it. I'm going to make a video for another day on how to stone your ashoke. So for today, let's go to making the auto gele proper. I'll put this aside. This already stoned ashoke is what we're going to be using for making the fan. So I put it aside and cut out about 1 line of rope. As you can see, I used 1 line of ashoke for making this rope. It's not that much, and this little piece is about 3 inches wide and 16 inches length. As you can see, about 16 inches long and 3 inches wide. I'll cut it out and stone. You can see it's already stoned. Put that aside. And this is my base, my already made base. So now let's begin. I'll put out the base. So you all know the base is about 18 inches wide. I will measure out the middle of the base with my ashoke, the rope ashoke I made. You can see I'll place it from the middle to the side, and I'll use that as the measurement for folding the rope. This is going to serve as plate for this tutorial. After making the plates, you can see I will use my needle and thread to sew down the plates together. You can see I'm sewing together with my needle and thread. And now after sewing down, I'll overlock it. Now I'll place the plate on one side of the base. As you can see, from the middle to the outer corner, that is the handle, to the part where the handle is. And now I'll use my needle and thread to sew down the plates on the base. As you can see, my plate is slanted. I didn't place it straight. You can see I slanted it from the middle of the base to the outer handle of the base, as you can see, to give you that round curved shape. You can see it's curved, and now I'm going to continue from the other side, that is making the fan. Now I'll take the 30-inch ashoki and place it, slant it across the base. As you can see, now I'll start sewing from the handle, from the part that is on the handle to the middle of the base. I'm sewing from the handle up to the base, as you can see. I'm going to join them together first before I'll start making the fan. Now I'll start folding for making the fan. As you can see, you can see I'm almost at the edge. I'm almost at the front of the plate. So I'm going to stop making the fan now at this point, now this particular point here. And now I'll take out that piece I cut out, that 16 inches piece, and I'll start folding as if I want to make plates. You can see I'm going to fold bit by bit. As you can see, I'm trying to create a mini fan here. You can see. Now I'll take my needle and thread to sew down the fan so it won't get loose. I'll arrange properly. Now I'll add the mini fan at the front of the bigger fan. As you can see, just place it between the point where the fan meets the plates. I'm going to start attaching it properly to the base, and I also attach it to the plate backwards. So guys, this is the finished look. Isn't it adorable? Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please. Thank you so much for watching.